Today I'm going to show you how I turned just $50 to over $350 using this simple set of indicators. No complicated strategies, no endless screens of analysis, just a clear step-by-step approach that anybody can follow. So by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to spot entry points like a pro and also trade with confidence. I'm going to be trading cryptocurrencies today, and I've selected the assets that have the best payout percentages and movement for today. These are the best we have, and like I mentioned in the intro, the indicators we're going to be using for today, I've already set them up. I'm also going to show you guys what they are. We have the Donchian channel, period of 10, also another Donchian channel with a period of 20, and of course we have our CCI oscillator with a period of 15 and our fractal, which is set to a period of 3. So for today, the main thing I want to kind of do is to find the maximum and minimum points, and I'll be trading with that, trading against the direction of the trend. Anyways, let's see how much we can learn from today's session. Hopefully it goes well so that I'll be able to explain a lot of these concepts in more detail. Yeah, but it's not difficult, trust me guys. So just stick and watch to the end of this video and you should be good to go. Let's get the first asset with the best entry and we'll start trading, guys.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Sweet guys, okay, so here I opened the first deal immediately for sell, as you can see, and we're trading against the trend. You know, it's an uptrend, we're trading downwards. If it goes higher, I might open an additional trade. In fact, I'm going to open an additional down trade if the price goes higher. So after the price forms a global maximum, as it did here, there is a high chance of its, reversing briefly, and that's what this strategy is based on. We can see a global maximum was formed over there, and there's a very high chance the price will go down. You should have a rollback. Also, observing the CCI oscillator, you can see it's coming out of the overbought area, and so we should be having a drop down there as well. This is multiple confirmations, and just as we predicted, sweet, our first trade closes in a profit. That's very good. So these are the kind of little observations you make when you're trading with trend dynamics. It's actually a very, very accurate signal. So if you compare these indicators together, you should be good to go, even with a little investment. Let's go for our next trade and look for the best opportunity to take.
If you're serious about making money from trading, stop watching and start taking action. Inside my exclusive Telegram channel, I drop high accuracy signals, pro trading tips, and real-time updates to help you win big. Don't trade alone, trade smart with the best. Click the link below and join the winning team now.
Okay guys, so here I opened another $25 deal, and it's not the best entry point, I'm going to be honest, but we can still get I might open an additional trade. Okay, so I opened an additional trade here just to get a better entry point in case the other one doesn't work out. So we can see the upward volume moving right now, and it's taking place in the direction of the actual trend, but we can see that also price is currently, it's moving against the trend. Like right now we're in an uptrend, and now there is this minimum form. So after this, there should be a decent push upward. We're trading with the extremes of the trend, let's not forget. Also looking at the CCI, you can see it's slowly exiting the oversold area. So yeah, we didn't even need the additional trade because both of them entered a plus, guys. Sweet. So here we traded the extremes, and we also traded the price going away from the CCI oscillator. Sweet, come on, perfect guys. So both of our trades end in a plus. Today's a very good day. This is a very, very accurate signal, guys, and something you should really look into. By the way, I do have a Telegram channel. In case you're new to trading, you can definitely check that out. The link is in the description. To any newbie out there who wants to get into trading, you can definitely hit me up and I'll try my best to help. Okay guys, I think we have another trade here. I'm not 100% sure about this one, I'll be honest, but let's see how it ends. Yeah, it's kind of a risky entry point. The global updates, after the global updates here in the minimum, so there is a chance that the price might reverse in the other direction and slightly move upward, and that's what's happening now actually, and that's why I said this trade was a bit risky. Price just touched the channel indicators, and we're also seeing a slight exit from the CCI, from the overbought area. I mean, that's what triggered me to enter, but still it's a risky position. So yeah, we're kind of betting 50-50, which is not the best place to be in. But let's see if our guardian angels are praying for us. Come on, we're just there guys, almost there. I think we lost this one. Yeah. Okay guys, so unfortunately this trade closes in a minus. There was potential for downward movement. It's just that, you know, because the global minimum was formed earlier, there was a very high chance it was going up. Yeah, I mean, we win some, we lose some, but we win most of them. That's the main idea of trading. Let's get the next trade in. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna stay on this currency pair and get, I really like what is happening here. I think I'm waiting for a good entry point guys. I'm waiting for a very good entry point, and then I might end this one. Okay guys, I entered this trade still for a down position. It's not the exact strategy that I'm teaching, but this is a very good entry point. As we can see, there is already a formation of an extreme point right here. We broke out of the Dunkin channels, and you know, this candle was very strong, moving upwards, and formed a new local high actually. After such a move guys, I mean, it's almost second nature that the price is gonna make a retracement and go back down. Even if it's gonna continue an uptrend, it would definitely give a break to rest before it keeps on going up. And what really pushed me to enter this trade is the momentum of the previous candle, which is a green candle. You know, after price makes this big momentum, it usually takes a break guys, takes a break. And this kind of thing is come with experience. You need to like trade a lot to notice these things. So yeah guys, this worked perfectly. We were able to recover the loss that we made, and yeah, this was a very good deal, very good deal. The first deal was not so good, but the second deal we were able to make up our losses, which is awesome. Let's open one more trade for today, and then we'll just, you know, finalize our profits for the day. Okay guys, so as we see here, it's the same thing over and over again. There's an extreme point here, it's breaking past the channels, and that's what really entered this trade. Of course, the other indicators are also in support of this, because after this big long move down, like I mentioned earlier, after an impulse move like this, there's a very high chance the price will give a break and, you know, rest. The CCI oscillator, as I mentioned, is also gradually exiting the oversold area. This is a very decent price level, and we also see previous reactions at that same level. Now, of course, real time, when I'm taking the trades, I have to kind of make decisions very quickly and notice all these things, but they happen the more you trade, and you're able to get like really good signals like this. Sweet guys. So the last trade for the day ends in an amazing profit guys. Do you see this? This is sweet. This is bliss guys. Like this is perfect. I'm really happy with today's results, but more than that, I'm also happy I was able to explain the trade. I'm happy I was able to explain the strategies behind this, because this is so simple that everybody should actually know this. I'm gonna head to withdraw now. We made over $350, and I'm really satisfied with the results. Sweet. This is a very simple strategy guys, and you know, I mean, if you need to, you can always watch this video again. And if there's any question you have, leave in the comments. I love to respond to the comments. And also hit me up on my Telegram channel. I'll try to get you started on your trading journey as well. There is so much money, free money lying down around that people can actually have access to if they know the basics. It's not so complicated as people make it. Anyways, that's all for now. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.